Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl A.MaRee. I'm trying this new style of hauls and unboxings and just a little bit of everything. I do have 3 Ipsy bags right in front of me. This is 3 months worth. I wanted to quickly run you guys through what I did get for the last 3 months, I believe, and let y'all see exactly what it is. I'll let y'all know. I haven't used anything, so I will let y'all know if I plan to use it or if I plan to give it away or whatever it may be. So if you think you're gonna like this style of video without seeing that face, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Let me know right there in the I box if you guys would like to see videos of me unboxing like this, or would you prefer seeing my face? So go ahead and vote right there and let your girl know. But I am gonna try it and I'm gonna see what you guys like, and we'll determine how the rest of them will go. So go ahead and get a snack. So before we even get started, have you subscribed yet? If you haven't become a part of the D4L clique, I want you to go ahead and click the button right there so you won't miss another video from me. So we're just gonna jump right into it. I'm trying to learn not to make my videos too long, so that's why we're gonna speed past everything. So I don't know what month this one's from, but this bag is adorable. Peace, love, and lipstick. Cute ass bag. This is what we have in the bag. So let's go ahead and take everything out and quickly run through it. This month we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things. That's it. So we did get the Naked Cosmetics, and this is the translucent powder. It's a HD finishing powder. Oh, it's not open. I'm not too sure about these powders because when they're HD and they're translucent like that, sometimes they end up giving a white cast still. So that's what it looks like. I will test it out and see. Maybe it's like the Laura Mercier, but it doesn't look like it. It kind of reminds me of the RMCA no color translucent or whatever it's called. But we will try it. Naked Cosmetics has been a little good to me, so I'll give it a shot. So the next item is the First Aid Beauty. It's the Skin Rescue Deep Cleanser with red clay. It removes excess oils and unclogs pores and purify. And it's a mask, and y'all know I already know how I feel about masks and skincare items. So I guess we would try it out. I thought it would have a seal on it, but it don't. So that kind of makes me scared on whether I should try it or not, if it didn't come with a freaking seal. We did get the Glamorous Dolls. What is this? It's a blending brush, but gotta be just like a tapered blending brush. But it's pretty. I love the way it looks. Got the pink and white tip. That'll be something to use on a daily basis. We did get the Makeup Forever Professional Excessive Lash. I love Makeup Forever. So to say I never tried their mascaras, which is odd, I'm interested in trying it. I have almost every eyeshadow palette by Makeup Forever and a few of the lipsticks. So, wonder what the mascara is like. Yes, you guys, I did just smell it. Why? I don't know. But the wand on it looks pretty dense and full. Maybe I could pat the mascara on. So, very good. Very good. And then the last item in here is the Balm by The Balm. And I want to say this is an eyeshadow. Wookelman. It's a pretty gold, but you guys, I know I'm not going to use this because I hate getting the single eyeshadows like this, because I throw them in my drawer and won't ever use it. So in the next one, we have this one. Bag is alright. Not the best looking bag, but I could see where they were going with it. First thing I got is the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores Pressed. It's an airbrush silk pressed anti-aging finishing powder. I think nonetheless I will try this under the eyes as well. I'm assuming it's supposed to be colorless. Oh, well, wait a minute. Well, yeah. Okay. Yeah. Oh, yeah, I couldn't see that. So I just rubbed it, and it gives a tad bit of cast. So I think I would try this more of under the eye type of ordeal and see what that be like. But I've started to learn that I'm actually starting to like IT Cosmetics. So this is inside of the bag. I think we only got 4 products in this one. Nope. We did get 5, including this one. Here are the 4 items. We did get the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes mascara, which I am dying to try. I see everybody using this, so of course I want to try it. One looks pretty cool. Don't ask me why I keep opening all my mascaras, y'all. But the Tarte Camera Lashes, I heard is very good, so I do want to try that out. The next thing we got is the Contacts Vitamin C All Day Eye Cream. So this is a vitamin C all day eye cream. So I'm assuming you put this on your eyes before you put on your makeup, or at night before you go to bed. I don't know. I have to look into it some more. It's 0.5 ounces. It really doesn't have directions on it. It just basically tell you what's in it, and it doesn't really explain what it does. So I'm gonna look into it. Maybe I'll try it, and if I do, I will come back and give y'all a later video on it, let y'all know how I feel about it. But at this moment, I don't know what the hell it is. So the next thing is gonna be the company called Black, and it's a mask. I do like the all black packaging. I know it's a mask. It don't give you anything but the ingredients. What's up, Ipsy? Y'all should be like BoxyCharm and give a damn list of what it is, how much it is, and what the hell it's supposed to do. Because it doesn't give me anything, and I can't tell y'all anything. Can't tell you it came with a seal on this one. And then the last thing we have is the Nail Medic. It's a charcoal infused nail polish. It protects against toxins and pollutants. It's a restore type of nail polish. It's healthy and beautiful nails. It says follow and share on it is by, I'm assuming, Pretty Woman. And tag your Manny. And this is Volcanic Ash is what this one is called. So let's see what this is. Nail Medic Charcoal Infused Nail Polish. Protects against, yeah, it says the same thing, but this is a nail color. So I'm assuming Volcanic Ash is the color of the nail polish, which is very pretty. I can't stun on that. It's a beautiful gray. It does look like ashes. Maybe I'll take this with me to the nail shop next time. Get this on my toes. And then for the last bag. Oh yeah, I remember this bag. Don't remember what's in it, but I remember I wasn't a fan of the bag that much. It's very bumpy and it's just black with squares on it. I was like, what? Who? So I don't know. But it's a cute gold zipper concept to it. Here's what's inside. 5 items again in this one. And we're going to start with the Nomad Baziz Principica. I don't know what the hell I just said, but it's a multi-perfection bronzer. Who? Who is she? I don't know. And I bet you anything is not my damn color. Cute ass packaging. Reminds me of Gerard Cosmetics or Givenchy. I think that's how you say it. But these are highlighter colors for me, boo. I knew it wasn't going to fit me. Yeah. Highlighter shades for me. Not bronzing. Look at that. Cute, but I would try it. Not my shade. It may work. But the packaging feels so cheap, you guys. That feels like something that should be on Shop Miss A. I don't know who this is, but you got to do better with your packaging, no mate. Gots to do better. Next item I did get is the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. And it's a radiant primer. And this looks like it'll be good for a great highlighter. Liquid highlight, for real. So yeah, it's going to give you that radiant life. This one didn't come sealed neither, Ipsy. Company's just not sending y'all sealed shit. But look at that. It looked like it'll give you a good bronzy type of glow. I may try that underneath my makeup and see what it comes out to be. Angled shading brush in the number 207. I always keep my Luxie brushes. I did do a giveaway on my subscription unboxing. If you missed it, I'm sorry. I may do it again, but I did give away a Luxie tapered highlighting brush. Looked just like this, but it was pink. I did give it away only because I have 2 of these that Ipsy done sent me. So I went ahead and gave the pink one away. Congratulations to the winner. Congratulations. I hope you enjoyed everything and the extra goodies I threw in the bag. But yes, this is a medium angled shader brush in the number 207. So Luxie, thank you so much. I love your brushes. I know I want to have a whole collection if I keep it up with Ipsy. I will have the whole collection. The next thing I got is the Birch Juice Hydro Sleeping Pack. Now that sounds interesting. E-Nature's Birch Juice Hydro Sleeping Mask. It does give directions, so I'm assuming after you clean your face and moisturize your face. Oh, this smells fresh and clean. Make it smell like your face would be icy. I'm pretty sure you put this on, rub it in, let it sit there, sleep overnight, and wake up with radiant, hydrated skin. Yeah, I think so. So I am gonna try that out. Y'all know how I feel about that. For the last item is from the company Field Renewed. It's a pumpkin walnut facial cleanser. It's a deep treatment, a deep skin treatment, and gentle exfoliating. The only reason why I laughed is because I cannot stand pumpkin, but I love walnuts. So let me smell this. Oh my god, y'all, if y'all could see me, I just got this shit all in my nose. I was trying to smell it and the shit popped out. Okay, to me it smells like vanilla. It don't smell like pumpkin nor walnuts. It smells, well, maybe a little pumpkin-y.